Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English practice lesson today. I am Mr. Only. Today we are going to learn something very important for your daily life. Many students always say, "How are you?" when they meet a person. This is okay, but it is a bit boring. In the real world, English speakers use many different phrases. These phrases make you sound more natural and more friendly. Today, Sarah and I will teach you 15 new ways to greet people. We will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand everything. My goal is to help you feel confident when you speak to your friends or your coworkers. You do not need to use difficult words to sound smart. You just need the right phrases for the right time. Please listen carefully to the rhythm of our voices. Repeat the sentences after us if you can. Learning English is a journey, and we are very happy to be on this journey with you today. Let us start our lesson now.
Hello, everyone. I am Sarah. I am so happy to be here with Mr. Only to help you learn. Today, we are in a normal neighborhood. We will imagine different places like a coffee shop, a park, and an office. In these places, people greet each other in many ways. Sometimes we are in a hurry, and sometimes we have a lot of time to talk. We will show you how to use these 15 greetings in real conversations. We will use simple English that you can use today. You will hear us use these greetings many times. This will help the words stay in your memory. Do not worry about making mistakes. Just listen and enjoy the conversation. We will start with a long conversation so you can hear how these greetings sound when people are talking naturally. Are you ready to practice with Mr. Only and me? Let us begin.
Good morning, Sarah. It is a beautiful day today. How is it going?
Good morning, Mr. Only. Everything is great, thank you. How is it going with you?
I am doing very well, Sarah. I just had a nice cup of coffee. Hey, Sarah, what is up?
Not much, Mr. Only. I'm just getting ready for our walk in the park. What is up with your new project?
Oh, the project is going well, Sarah. It is almost finished. Sarah, how are things?
Things are wonderful, Mr. Only. My family is coming to visit me this weekend, so I'm very excited. How are things at your house?
Everything is quiet and peaceful, Sarah. Thank you for asking. Sarah, how have you been?
I have been very busy, but happy, Mr. Only. I started a new exercise class lately. How have you been since I saw you last Tuesday?
I have been quite good, Sarah. I went to the library and read some interesting books. Sarah, what is new?
Not a lot is new, Mr. Only. I bought some new plants for my balcony yesterday. What is new with your garden?
My tomatoes are finally growing, Sarah. I'm very happy about that. Sarah, how is your day going?
My day is going perfectly so far, Mr. Only. I finished all my morning chores early. How is your day going?
It is going smoothly, Sarah. I feel very productive today. Sarah, what have you been up to?
I have been catching up on some cooking, Mr. Only. I made a big soup this morning. What have you been up to this morning?
I have been cleaning my office and organizing my files, Sarah. It feels good to be organized. Sarah, how is life?
Life is good, Mr. Only. Life is very kind to me right now. How is life treating you?
Life is treating me well, Sarah. I cannot complain at all. Sarah, it is good to see you.
It is good to see you too, Mr. Only. We always have such nice talks. Mr. Only, how are you doing?
I am doing fine, Mr. Only. I'm just a little bit tired from the gym. How are you doing today?
I am doing excellent, Mr. Only. I feel full of energy. Sarah, what is happening?
Not much is happening, Mr. Only. Just the usual daily routine. What is happening in your neighborhood?
There's a new park opening down the street, Sarah. Everyone is very happy about it. Sarah, how was your morning?
My morning is lovely, Mr. Only. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. How is your morning going so far?
My morning is very peaceful, Mr. Only. I enjoyed the silence before the city got loud. Sarah, how is everything?
Everything is fine, Mr. Only. Everything is just the way it should be. How is everything with your car?
The car is working perfectly now, Sarah. I took it to the mechanic yesterday. Sarah, long time no see.
Yes, Mr. Only. Long time no see indeed. I think it has been 2 weeks since we met at the market.
You were right, Sarah. It has been a while. Sarah, how is your work going?
My work is going well, Mr. Only. My students are learning very fast. How is your work going? My work is also good, Sarah. I am writing some new stories for my blog. Sarah, what is going on?
Not a lot is going on, Mr. Only. I'm just waiting for the mail to arrive. What is going on with your cat?
My cat is sleeping on the sofa, Sarah. He is very lazy today. Sarah, how are you feeling?
I am feeling great, Mr. Only. I'm feeling healthy and strong. How are you feeling?
I am feeling very positive, Sarah. Thank you for the wonderful conversation.
Now I want to explain the greetings we used. We used many different ways to say hello. For example, Mr. Only asked me, "How was it going?" This is a very common way to ask, "How are you?" It is friendly and informal. Let us try a mini dialogue for that. Mr. Only, how was it going?
It is going well, Sarah. How is it going with you?
It is going great, Mr. Only. Another greeting we used was, "What is up?" This is very common between friends. When someone says, "What is up?" you can say, "Not much." Let us try. Mr. Only, what is up?
Not much, Sarah. Just relaxing. What is up with you, Sarah?
Not much, Mr. Only. Just drinking some water. Next we have, how are things? This asks about your whole life. Mr. Only, how are things?
Things are good, Sarah. Everything is okay. Sarah, how are things at your office?
Things are busy at the office, Mr. Only. We also used, how have you been? We use this when we have not seen a person for a few days. Mr. Only, how have you been?
I have been good, Sarah. I have been traveling. Sarah, how have you been?
I have been well, Mr. Only. Thank you. Another good one is, what is new? This asks for any news in your life. Mr. Only, what is new?
I have a new puppy, Sarah. He is very cute. Sarah, what is new with you?
I have a new bicycle, Mr. Only. I like it a lot. We also said, how is your day going? This is perfect for the middle of the day. Mr. Only, how is your day going?
My day is going fast, Sarah. I have many things to do. How is your day going, Sarah?
My day is going slowly, Mr. Only. I am enjoying the rest. What about, what have you been up to? This asks about your recent activities. Mr. Only, what have you been up to?
I have been reading a lot, Sarah. What have you been up to, Sarah?
I have been gardening, Mr. Only. We can also ask, how is life? This is a big question, but we use it in a friendly way. Mr. Only, how is life?
Life is great, Sarah. I am very happy. Sarah, how is life?
Life is wonderful, Mr. Only. If you see someone you have not seen for a long time, you say long time no see. Let us practice. Mr. Only, long time no see.
Yes, Sarah. Long time no see. It is good to see you again. Sarah, how are you doing?
I am doing well, Mr. Only. This is very similar to how are you. We also used what is happening. This is informal. Mr. Only, what is happening?
Not much is happening, Sarah. Just waiting for the bus. Sarah, what is happening?
Nothing is happening, Mr. Only. It is a quiet day. We also have, how is your morning or how is your afternoon? Mr. Only, how is your morning?
My morning is excellent, Sarah. How was your morning, Sarah?
My morning is fine, Mr. Only. We also use, how is everything? This covers everything in your life. Mr. Only, how is everything?
Everything is fine, Sarah. Thank you for asking. Sarah, how is everything with you?
Everything is perfect, Mr. Only. Another phrase is, what is going on? This is like, what is up? Mr. Only, what is going on?
Not much is going on, Sarah. Just walking the dog. Sarah, what is going on?
I am just reading a book, Mr. Only. Finally, we have, how are you feeling? This is good if you know someone was sick or tired. Mr. Only, how are you feeling?
I am feeling much better, Sarah. Thank you. Sarah, how are you feeling?
I am feeling fantastic, Mr. Only.
We hope you enjoyed these 15 new greetings. You do not always have to say, how are you? Now you have many choices.
Yes, Mr. Only. Using different words makes English more fun. It helps you connect with people better.
Practice these phrases every day, Sarah. Speak them out loud when you are alone or with a friend.
That is a great idea, Mr. Only. Consistency is the key to learning any language.
You did a great job today listening to us. We are proud of your progress.
Keep practicing and do not be afraid to use these new greetings tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye and see you in the next lesson.